Hey everyone, I'm Chelsea, an academic advisor for College 9 and John R. Lewis College. Today, I'm meeting with Sally Slug, a student whose goal is to get back into good academic standing. Sally wants to know what she needs to do to improve her academic standing, so we're going to show her a handy trick. First, Sally needs to log into her My UCSE portal. After logging in, she'll want to click on the blue tile that says Student Center. Next, she should be able to find a link for her student advising summary up at the top. Then, she'll be able to go into the Statistics tab. Most students are already familiar with their GPA. Sally's term GPA and cumulative GPA are both listed here. However, what we're going to show Sally right now is her grade point balance. As you can see, Sally's cumulative grade point balance is currently a negative 14.5, and in order to get back into good standing, she'll need to get into the positives. The higher the GPB, the better, but getting back into positive numbers is the goal. So how can Sally improve this number? Well, for each class she takes, she earns points. As you can see on this chart, each A would earn her 10 points and each B earns 5. C's are neutral, so they earn 0 points. D's are negative 5 and F's are negative 10. Using this point system, Sally can think about what grades she may earn to try to get her GPB back into the positives. If we go back to Sally's portal for a minute and look at her course history in the UCSC Courses tab, we can see how this point system correlates to the grades she's earned and how her GPB has been calculated. Obviously, we need to take into account the fact that not all of her classes have been 5 units, and so this will affect the number of points she's earned towards her GPB. We can count up each grade along with the units earned and see how her GPB has been calculated thus far. So we asked Sally what grade she thinks she may earn in each of her classes this upcoming quarter. She states that she plans to get A's in all 3 of her classes. For each A, she would earn 10 points towards her GPB. Adding all these points up for 3 A's, her term GPB for this quarter would be 30. Since her cumulative GPB thus far has been negative 14.5, adding those together would get her new cumulative back to a positive 15.5 points. This would get her back into good standing. As we know, good academic standing means that we have both a positive cumulative GPB and a positive term GPB. With these grades for the quarter, Sally would be back into good standing because both her term GPB and her cumulative GPB are both in the positive. However, after taking a minute to think about it, Sally says, I've never gotten all A's before. Maybe I should be a little more realistic about it since I'm also working a part-time job and some of my classes are going to be pretty hard. Good thinking, Sally. She thinks about it a little bit more and shares that she feels confident that she can earn a B minus, and a C plus. According to our chart, the B would earn her 5 points, the B minus would earn her 3.5, and the C plus would be 1.5. With these grades, Sally would earn 10 points this quarter, so her term GPB would be 10. As we know, her cumulative GPB prior to this quarter was negative 14.5. By adding these together, her new cumulative GPB would be a negative 4.5. Not yet in the positives, but much closer. We advisors aren't looking for perfection, but progress. Her term GPB was positive, but her cumulative GPB is negative still. Because of this, she won't quite be back into good standing, but that's okay. If Sally looks back in her emails from advising, she'll see that this term we expect her to earn 12 units and cut her GPB deficit in half. Here, she is earning 15 units through her classes, which is more than 12 units, and she's cutting that GPB deficit by more than half. Again, progress, not perfection, is what we're looking for. Sally thanks us for the help and asks us if we could also help her friend Sammy Slug. We've got the time, so let's go ahead. Sammy is also trying to get back into good standing, and so we're going to look at their portal as well. In their statistics page, it looks like Sammy's cumulative GPB is a positive 142.5. Since it's already a positive number, all they need to do to get back into good standing is to pass all their classes this quarter, with C's or better. No math needed here, no calculations using our chart. Each passing grade will just grow Sammy's GPB more and more. We are very proud of Sammy and Sally, and we're confident that both of them will be back in good standing and reaching all of their academic goals. They know that if they have any questions or need any additional help, they're always welcome to reach out to their college advisors for support. And hey, thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this will be helpful for your academic planning as well. Take care and see you around.